Alright, y'all, so I got some Ben's, Uncle Ben's rice, 90-second rice. I got a $5.99 rotisserie chicken. And right now I'm looking for something like maybe some broccoli and mac or something like that. And this is gonna be dinner, y'all. So if you're new to the channel, stay tuned so you can see this little microwave meal that Coco is about to do. Y'all, I ain't ever did no microwave meal, y'all, ever. So let's stay tuned for this microwave meal. So we're gonna add one of these to our menu. What is that? Michelina. We're gonna add a Michelina. Michelinas. Yeah, okay. We're gonna add one of those. We're gonna add a fettuccine alfredo with chicken and broccoli. So I'm home and I'm hungry. I'm like hungry. Don't got time to cook hungry. So let me show you how we're gonna fix this. We got a $5.99 little rotisserie chicken. We're gonna have this as part of the menu. Then we got some microwave 90 seconds. Oh God, this rice smells so. I hope this rice don't taste how it smells. This smell like raviolis. I gotta have me a soda.